Hello everyone. Today we are going to do some revision about imperative sentences. Let's start. These are the learning objectives for today. Pupils should be able to write advice in correct sentences and write rules for the class in correct sentences. Do you still remember about the health quiz? Well, in the health quiz, you can see some examples of imperatives. Imperative sentences is used when you want to write rules or when you want to give advice. In imperative sentences, you don't need to use subject pronouns or personal pronouns. Just simply start with a verb. For example, as you can see in the orange colored box, don't eat. And the orange colored box, wait for dinner. And the red colored box, go to a doctor now. So imperative sentences should be short and the meaning is clear. Okay, let's go to the next part. Imperatives are divided into two parts, affirmative and negative. Let's look at the example of affirmative imperative. Number 1, eat some snacks. When you want to change it to negative, you can just simply add the word don't. So the sentence now will become, don't eat some snacks. Number 2, affirmative, wait for dinner. Negative, don't wait for dinner. Number 3, go to a doctor now. That is affirmative. And the negative, don't go to a doctor now. Okay, let's practice. You can jot down the answers in a piece of paper, then we can check together. Alright? So what you have to do is change the sentences to affirmative or negative imperative form. Let's get started. Number 1. Eat this before January 2021. First of all, you need to identify this sentence whether it is affirmative imperative or negative imperative. Yes, this sentence is affirmative imperative form. So what you have to do is change it to negative form. Have you got your answer? Okay, let's check. The answer is don't eat this before 8 January 2021. Okay, let's try question 2. Visit this place. And the answer should be don't visit this place. Let's try number 3. Go right here. Is it affirmative or negative? Yes, affirmative. So you need to change it to negative. So now what's your answer? Yes, don't go right here. Let's look at number 4. Don't drink this water. Is it affirmative or negative? Yes, this time this sentence is in negative imperative form. So you have to change it to affirmative. Now, what's your answer? Yes, drink this water. Okay. Here's the exercise for today. What you have to do is write advice and school rules based on the situation given. This time, I want you to use English 1 or E1 exercise book. Okay, number 1. Write an advice for a friend who has got exams next week. Just write an advice. One advice. Okay? Alright, number 2. Write an advice for a friend who can't speak English well. Number 3. Write an advice for a friend who wants to lose weight. Next, write a rule to make your class clean. Write a rule to make your class organized. Write a rule to make everyone pay attention in class. And the last one is write a rule to make everyone work together. For the enrichment part, complete the school rules, write in your English 1 or E1 exercise book. Don't worry, I will provide this exercise for you to download and print out. Then you can paste it in your exercise book. Okay, that is all for today. Thanks. And I hope you have fun learning English with me, Teacher Sherina. Bye! See you next time.